Welcome to Ourto channel. Everything you want to know about vitamin C is in this video. From diseases related to the lack of this vitamin to their diagnosis and treatment, everything is explained in this video. So stay with us until the end. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. It is involved in the synthesis of collagen, a protein that helps in wound healing, the absorption of iron, and the maintenance of healthy skin, blood vessels, bones, and cartilage. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. A deficiency of vitamin C can lead to various health problems. The most well-known vitamin C deficiency disease is scurvy. Scurvy is characterized by fatigue, weakness, swollen and bleeding gums, joint pain, poor wound healing, and skin rashes. Without proper treatment, scurvy can lead to more severe complications such as anemia, gum disease, and even death. Other potential health issues associated with vitamin C deficiency include 1. Impaired immune function. Vitamin C plays a vital role in supporting the immune system. A deficiency can weaken the immune response, making individuals more susceptible to infections and illnesses. 2. Poor wound healing. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis, which is essential for proper wound healing. Inadequate levels of vitamin C can result in delayed wound healing and the formation of weak scar tissue. 3. Increased risk of infections. Vitamin C deficiency can compromise the body's ability to fight off infections, making individuals more prone to respiratory infections such as colds and pneumonia. 4. Weakened connective tissues. Vitamin C is necessary for the maintenance and formation of healthy connective tissues, including tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. A deficiency can lead to weakened or brittle tissues, increasing the risk of injury and other health complications. Now let's talk about causes of vitamin C deficiency. 1. Inadequate dietary intake. Not consuming enough foods rich in vitamin C is the primary cause of deficiency. A diet lacking in fruits and vegetables can lead to insufficient vitamin C intake. 2. Poor food storage and preparation. Vitamin C is sensitive to heat and oxygen. Overcooking or prolonged storage of fruits and vegetables can result in significant losses of vitamin C content. 3. Alcoholism. Chronic alcohol abuse can contribute to vitamin C deficiency due to poor dietary choices and impaired nutrient absorption. 4. Malabsorption disorders. Certain medical conditions such as Crohn's disease, celiac disease, and gastrointestinal surgeries can impair the body's ability to absorb and utilize vitamin C effectively. 5. Smoking. Cigarette smoking increases the body's demand for vitamin C. Smokers often have lower vitamin C levels due to increased oxidative stress and the body's reduced capacity to retain and utilize the vitamin. Now it's time to talk about symptoms of vitamin C deficiency. In addition to the symptoms mentioned earlier, such as fatigue, weakness, swollen and bleeding gums, joint pain, poor wound healing, and skin rashes, vitamin C deficiency can manifest in other ways. 1. Dry and splitting hair. 2. Easy bruising. 3. Rough and dry skin. 4. Weakened tooth enamel and increased susceptibility to dental problems. 5. Swelling and pain in the joints. Treatment and prevention. The primary treatment for vitamin C deficiency is increasing the intake of vitamin C rich foods or taking vitamin C supplements under medical guidance. The symptoms of deficiency typically improve rapidly once vitamin C levels are restored. To prevent vitamin C deficiency, it is recommended to consume a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables daily. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults is around 75 to 90 milligrams, but it can vary depending on factors such as age, pregnancy, and certain medical conditions. It's worth noting that excessive vitamin C intake can also have adverse effects. The recommended upper limit for adults is 2000 milligrams per day. Consuming excessive amounts can lead to digestive issues such as diarrhea and may interfere with the absorption of other nutrients. How can I determine if I have a vitamin C deficiency? While a healthcare professional is the best person to diagnose a vitamin C deficiency, there are some signs and symptoms that may indicate a potential deficiency. However, it's important to note that these signs and symptoms can also be attributed to other health conditions, so as a proper medical evaluation is necessary for an accurate diagnosis. If you suspect a vitamin C deficiency, here are some indicators that may prompt you to seek medical advice. 1. Fatigue and weakness. Feeling unusually tired or weak without an apparent reason can be a symptom of various health issues, including vitamin C deficiency. 2. Swollen and bleeding gums. If your gums are swollen, tender, or bleeding easily, it could be a sign of gum disease or scurvy, which is associated with severe vitamin C deficiency. 3. Slow wound healing. If your wounds take longer to heal, or you notice that even minor cuts or bruises are not healing properly, it might indicate a deficiency in vitamin C. 4. Dry and rough skin. Vitamin C plays a role in maintaining healthy skin. A deficiency can lead to dry, rough, or flaky skin. 5. Easy bruising. Vitamin C deficiency can weaken blood vessels, making them more prone to damage and resulting in easy bruising. 6. Joint pain. Some individuals with vitamin C deficiency may experience joint pain or stiffness. 7. Weakened immune system. Frequent infections, slow recovery from illnesses, or a general susceptibility to infections can be a sign of compromised immune function, which can be associated with vitamin C deficiency. What are some dietary sources of vitamin C that I can incorporate into my diet? Incorporating foods rich in vitamin C into your diet is an excellent way to ensure an adequate intake of this essential nutrient. Here are some common dietary sources of vitamin C. 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are well known for their high vitamin C content. Examples include oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and lime. 2. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries are not only delicious but also rich in vitamin C. 3. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small fruit that packs a powerful punch of vitamin C. It also provides other beneficial nutrients like fiber and antioxidants. 4. Bell peppers. Colorful bell peppers, particularly the red and yellow varieties, are excellent sources of vitamin C. Include them in salads, stir fries, or enjoy them raw. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense vegetable that contains a good amount of vitamin C. It's best to lightly cook or steam broccoli to retain its nutritional value. 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are not only rich on vitamin C, but also provide a host of other vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 7. Papaya. This tropical fruit is not only delicious, but also a great source of vitamin C. It also contains the enzyme papain, which aids digestion. 8. Guava. Guava is a tropical fruit known for its high vitamin C content. It is also a good source of dietary fiber. 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, especially when consumed in their raw form, are a decent source of vitamin C. They can be added to salads, sandwiches, or used in cooking. 10. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that provides a moderate amount of vitamin C along with the enzymes that aid digestion. In conclusion, vitamin C is a vital nutrient that plays numerous roles in the body, including supporting immune function, collagen synthesis, antioxidant protection, and wound healing. A deficiency in vitamin C can lead to various health issues such as scurvy, weakened immune system, impaired wound healing, and other symptoms like fatigue, gum problems, and joint pain. Incorporating a variety of foods rich in vitamin C into your diet is essential for maintaining optimal health. Citrus fruits, berries, kiwi, bell peppers, broccoli, leafy greens, papaya, guava, tomatoes, and pineapple are all excellent dietary sources of vitamin C. Consuming these foods in their fresh or lightly cooked forms can help ensure an adequate intake of this essential nutrient. However, it's important to note that individual needs for vitamin C may vary based on factors such as age, gender, pregnancy, and certain medical conditions. If you suspect a vitamin C deficiency or have specific dietary concerns, it is always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. By paying attention to your vitamin C intake and incorporating these nutritious foods into your daily diet, you can support your overall health and well-being, enhance immune function, and promote optimal functioning of various body systems. Remember, a balanced and varied diet, along with professional guidance, can help you maintain adequate vitamin C levels and support your overall nutritional needs. Before finishing this video, I invite you to watch our video about top 8 fruits for better blood flow to your legs and feet. Like always, if you have any questions or suggestions, we're here to answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think it could be helpful to them. I'll see you soon.